Last player standing.
Nishal save the one.
Nishal.
30
Count
seconds
how many
left.
bricks are there on the wall on your left. How to tell someone that you want to engage in coitus with them without sounding weird?
What the fuck?
Wanna coitus?
Do you wanna come to In and Out?
Wanna engage in some ding-a-ling-a-ling?
Wanna enter my course?
Enter your course. Nishal is doing something else, bro. He wants to get
Oh!
Yeah!
Yo, what the fuck?
Give me that again. Wow! Oh, you get that blowback.
Nice. What?
Yo, you don't have to reload again and again. Relax.
Nice.
Bro, he's reloading again.
Let him.
I'm watching Kaiju number not Kaju. Kaiju number 8. I'm watching Kaiju number 8. Kaju number 8 is me on Diwali.
real.
That thing is chasing me, bro.
Yeah.
Varun has locked himself.
Sir,
Varun has literally locked himself in.
I actually didn't know that. I didn't realize I did.
Spike planted.
Varun sir.
Nice, insane.
One enemy remaining.
Oh!
Oh.
Varun, go to dawn! Varun, go to dawn! Varun, go to dawn! What?
He's not gonna listen.
Yeah, no point.
Last player standing.
Yeah, insane,
Because
bro.
of me. It was because of me.
Nothing because of
It
you.
was
There's a
because of
gun
me.
over here. This guy is going
If
somewhere.
I went there,
Oh my
he would
God.
have killed
Mm.
Dawn. And
Why do I
I
play
would not
this
have
game?
been
This is
able
why I
to
don't play
kill
this game.
Stop down.
Hey, stop it.
Oh, he's getting shit
Player
on.
standing.
What rank are these guys?
You can't restore backstab. Come on.
Go see, run off.
No, go around. Go from spawn. Come back here. You have like 60 seconds. You can go and sleep also.
Bigger brain! Fuck. One thumbs up. Get the inside guy. if you can.
Get his on side.
Help him if you can. Go in.
No charges.
One side, Varun, one side. Oh, bro, one side. Three, nice.
Oh my god, how the fuck do you win that?
I just threw Pokeball on him, bro. He thought it's like Pikachu. He wanted to capture him, take him home.
Bro, Varun gives me so
Yeah. Crazy, how does he do that? Fuck, oh my god.
How does he live after doing all that?
Okay, I'm flashing 3, 2, 1.
Guys, got smokes.
Oh, he did flash. Go flash, do some magic.
No charges. Begins. No charges.
Vishal, CT out. Nice.
One more.
Oh,
Destroyed.
this guy is trying to anti-flash Gecko.
One enemy remaining.
Reload.
3 bullets.
No, what are you doing?
Hey, man, the gun me.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
No way you did.
No way.
Bounce off my head.
Match found.
So my biggest scare is while Kuprash is fighting, you're sitting on the stairs doing what, Ra?
Vishal's mouse real estate is going away. Fucking
Yeah, bro.
run.
Going left, right, left.
Yeah,
Dead
someone
dodge.
dodged.
Nice, Kushal. Nice. And insta locked.
I was influenced.
Okay.
He's an influencer.
Oh god, Varun, don't do it, Varun. There are 3 other people in your team, ignore this guy.
Brim or Omen?
Brim has good post plant. Omen if you're playing aggressive.
Varun's crazy on Brim. When Varun plays Brim, he's crazy.
Yeah, stop buttering him up, you stole his attention.
I'm-
Shut the
yeah,
fuck
No,
up.
shut
no,
the
no,
fuck up.
that's not why. No,
Shut the
I've
fuck
seen
up.
Varun play on
Shut the
Brim.
fuck up, bro.
Shut the fuck
Varun's
up.
crazy.
Shut the fuck up.
Spike down A. Last player standing.
Oh.
One more back.
Enemy
Back.
No, he's not. I have it.
I know exactly where you are. Kuplash, you have to help him. One more Kuplash. Oh no.
Last player standing.
Varun is too good at this game.
Varun is so.
I forgot how good this guy is.
The
If only people let me play the characters I can play.
fair, bro. It's fair.
Understandable, Varun.
No, that's fair. That's fair. Hard to fill.
Yeah, fair, bro, fair.
Yo, she's deranking from Diamond 2, bro. I'm sorry.
Don't do that, bro. Get.
Nah, bro. Jesus.
One enemy remaining.
90.
I'm very
What was that wall, bro?
I did not expect it, bro. I thought nice ball we have. We will do break.
Sector on the right.
Sector is on top. What the fuck are they doing?
They're Grom walling.
Antilla bana ke they're sitting there.
You gotta give it to biggest version of the fucking century.
Go B.
I should stop giving these people respect. I respect him. Wait, oh, he'll peek up nicely. Holding peek. No. Fucking peek is fucking man.
Crazy. If you win this round,
You heard him.
I'll jiggle your balls. If you win this round, I'll jiggle your balls one by one, each ball at a time.
One will be mid.
Varun, you get this kill. Come, one kill this round. You've been sitting on it for too long.
He's begging you to get a kill, bro. He said, Varun, you come. One kill, Varun.
One kill. Come on.
There's a fucking guy.
Help, Katla bhai.
You know what?
Defenders win.
That last round was dog shit. But
So bad.
10th round. I'm closing this.
I'm throwing this fucking.
Oh my
Throw the
god.
fucking PC altogether. Guys, I started plat 3. Now I'm going to plat 1. Lovely, I love to see it.
Bro, we had so much fun.
He didn't derank.
That's all that matters.
Yeah,
That's
because
all
she's
that
zero fucking RR.
matters. Jesus Christ.
I've never had more tip. Bro, this game gives me fever, bro. I'm fucking my whole face.
Facts. Like my heart rate's all high. I feel like I'm falling sick.
My body temperature is up, sweating. My bladder exploded. I don't even want to pee anymore.
Guys, go check what I sent you.
What the fuck is this enam?
I don't know, because nothing happens. I sat and watched the whole thing. It just keeps
Yeah.
doing the same
What
shit.
is happening?
In.
What the fuck?
Who died A?
This
What the hell?
black monkey is on.
Yeah, chill.
Oh, as soon as I pulled on the ball.
No, bro, don't upload that. Bro, I'll never get into a job. Bro, I'll never get into master's degree if I want.
If you want.
Your Honor, in my defense, my client.
It was really a black monkey.
To win.
Varun, come play anti-flash with me.
I hope there's a gecko on the other team.
This guy is trying to anti-flash a gecko.
I'm the anti, you be the flash.
Hey, I like antis.
Defenders
Nice try,
win.
nice try. It's okay. You guys weren't like top frack quality, so no issues.
Crazy.
Maybe someday you'll get there.
But Don has that fucking Napoleon syndrome, bro. It's too funny.
Install runtime for dongle licensing. Unless you want to.
I don't know what that means. Can I just press next?
Yeah, go ahead.
Will it do nothing?
No, it won't do anything. But
Bro, click next. Take the risk.
it'll anyway ask you for dongle licensing later, so you'll have to
Dude,
install.
तेरा dongle होगा, okay? मेरा कोई dongle नहीं है.
मेरा dongle लेके गान में घुसा दे भाई.
Why did you ask him to uncheck it then if it's gonna come up later?
No, I asked him because he can make a custom thing.
He's trying to mess you up, damn.
Yeah, they shouldn't have asked this Don, bro.
Yeah, true. Don't ask me anything.
What the fuck?
Oh, fuck is that?
That's how you're supposed to play the game.
One enemy remaining.
Hey, spicy ano.
Come on.
Who is this guy?
Yo,
Where do you open somewhere?
Bro went to Afghanistan or Mumbai, I can't tell.
You need to find more people in it.
ISIS training is paying off.
Guys, there's a porn star named Girth Master.
What?
Girl or a guy?
What?
Yeah.
Girl or a guy is insane.
The dog veins in the right places.
Oh god.
Okay.
In the right places. What are the wrong places?
What are the wrong place?
What are the wrong places? What do you mean
Symmetrical.
veins in the right place?
How will veins be?
How will veins be symmetrical, bro?
Is it bent or straight?
I personally like dicks that are a little more straighter than curved. You know those like curved dicks? I feel like they scratch a weird part of your insides. Like the straight ones, they just enter deep, you know? And they like itch the uterine wall. Like,
Isn't it like malleable
No,
though?
no, 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 let him
Take
talk.
the
Let
shape.
him, guys, let him talk. Let him talk.
Let
like-
him cook, man.
like, yeah, exactly. Let me cook. You know when the dick is straight, right? It's more aerodynamic, right? Or even say hydrodynamic
Are you
in this
calling
case.
bent dick?
Crazy
It,
doubtful.
it enters and like as soon as it enters, there's no resistance at all. Zoom towards the deep end.
So
Have you ever seen a diver, Olympic diver, go little curved? No, he dives straight in, not curved, not little curved to the right, like an arm's cock. I bet when they were doing an arm circumcision, they had to like get one of those curved scissors. You've seen those curved scissors?
I'm gonna shave this fucker's beard.